I'm going to show you how to take the embed code and replace current content with this new content within your course shells. So first you want to highlight all of this embed code and copy it. Make sure that in the meantime you have already downloaded this file onto your device because you're going to need to attach that. So you just click this little icon to download it. Then we'll copy our embed code. This goes in the section of finding an apartment and roommate. Copy. I go into week 10, finding an apartment and roommate. I clicked on, just so I don't want to click too fast, the drop down arrow next to the title, finding an apartment and a roommate. Click on it and go to edit. Then you are going to click on the HTML code view, highlight everything that's there and click backspace to delete it. Right click and paste. That is all of your new information. Scroll down, browse your computer and select that rights as a residential tenant in NC file. It will pop up here. Then click submit. It'll bring you back into your week 10's content. You should see that file right here. And just to make sure that you have the new information, click on the links. And if they're still broken, that means you didn't do something right. If they're working, that means you've done it successfully. Then you will do the same thing again for the comprehensive articulation. You click on the arrow next to it, go to edit, HTML code view, erase everything that's here and replace it with the embed code that I have given you in your email, which is right here. If you have any questions on doing that, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.